Now, I don't know about you, but I can safely say that I've both been served and have served a terrible margarita at some point in my life. But don't worry about that. I have 3 tips for you to ensure that your margarita does not suck. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video today we're going to be breaking down the Margarita Cocktail Recipe, and I'm going to give you 3 reasons, or at the very least 3 things for you to look out for to make sure that your next margarita does not suck. Now if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best in all things bartending and cocktail, don't forget to click the subscribe button right down here. Don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video whenever they come out. Now, I don't care how long you've been mixing drinks, be it professionally or otherwise, at some point in time, you most definitely served a drink to somebody that probably made them question their life choices, or at the very least, the choice of having you serve them that drink. Now, if you tell me, Sam, I don't think that's possible, everybody's always been nice to me about it, well, I'm going to tell you that you're either lying to yourself or somebody's lying to you. It happens to all of us, myself included. Matter of fact, I remember vividly one time I served a margarita to a friend of mine when I was leaving Miami. She came over to the house. I was obviously, used to mixing drinks and things like that. So I offered her, would you like a margarita? She said yes. I threw something together. And that first sip she took of that margarita, I swear to God, her face looked like it was about to implode with how terrible it was. And she was very sweet about it. She was about to continue drinking it. Then I grabbed it from her. I took the glass, took a sip of it myself, and I almost spat it in her face because it was really that bad. Embarrassed with myself and at the same time really just kind of shocked. So I said to myself, self, this will never happen to me again. Let's break this down. And these are the things that I know for certain are always going to help you make your perfect margarita. Now, the Margarita Cocktail Recipe incorporates a few ingredients, as you might have guessed. Tequila, most definitely, lime juice, and triple sec. Now, I've done these videos right here to break down single and large format portions of this. So by all means, after you're done watching this video, go ahead and check these out so that you can know exactly how to prepare your margarita depending on whatever occasion it's going to be. Whether it's a single serve or you're preparing for a party, we got you covered. The links are in the description so you don't have to go chasing the internet not chasing the internet. Well, I don't even know if that's the thing. You don't have to go searching all over the internet to find what you're looking for. Let's jump into the reasons. Now, reason number 1 that your margarita probably sucks is you're not using the right tequila. Now, when I say the right tequila, I'm not saying that it has to be an expensive tequila or even a super popular tequila. It has to be a good quality tequila. And the way you know if it's a good quality tequila is, for starters, it is 100% agave. A lot of brands add sugars and different things for coloring and things like that just reduce the quality, reduces that guest experience in terms of flavor, and definitely how you're going to feel afterwards. When there's a bunch of unnatural things mixed into the spirit, it doesn't make for a clean spirit, and we've all had those days of waking up sick or hungover because we drank a lot of a bad thing. So by all means, do yourself a favor, get yourself 100% agave tequila. Now, this isn't a sponsored video, so my favorites to go with are Espolón is a good one. I have not tried Teremana. I've heard great things about it. And then, of course, the Patrons and things like that are Patron, Don Julio, Herradura, all great brands. Just make sure that you go for something that fits your palate. And again, good quality, 100% agave. Now, the second reason that your margarita may suck is because you are not using the right lime juice. What I mean by that is you're not using fresh lime juice. I know it's easy, I know it's convenient to grab a bottle of lime juice from the grocery store or whatever the case may be, but bottled juices like that don't give you the kind of flavor that you're going to want to really enhance the natural notes of the tequila and a really pleasant drinking experience. They have other preservatives and things because they have to be bottled and stored on the shelf, and it just doesn't taste good. There's really no other way to put it. You cannot go wrong with fresh squeezed lime juice. Fresh juices in any cocktail make for the best case, especially when it comes to your citruses, your lemons and limes. Limes we're talking about in this case, you definitely want to go 100% freshly squeezed lime juice. There's just no way around it. Now, the third reason your margarita might suck is because you're using a store-bought, pre-done margarita mix. Now, for a better guest experience, for showmanship, hell, just to do yourself a favor, do not buy a pre-done mix. Again, a bunch of added sugars and ingredients and things like that. You end up with this syrupy concoction that nobody's a big fan of. Now, one thing I will say though, is that when you come from like my generation, Generation X or before, or anybody in the latter half of the centuries who've started drinking margaritas or started out drinking, they may have gone to a chain restaurant or something like that, and they've come to know and expect a certain amount of sweetness to their margarita. Myself included for that matter. But here's the way around that. Make sure you use all your fresh ingredients, throw that pre-mixed stuff out the window, and all you do is after you finish mixing your margarita, just take your bar spoon and add a bar spoon of simple syrup to it. It adds the right amount of sweetness, it doesn't overpower the drink, and it doesn't become this syrupy concoction that is cloying and makes your guests go bleh. And those are my 3 reasons or my fixes to make sure that your margarita doesn't suck. Very simple things, but very important. Every single one plays their role. I would not take any one of these for granted if you want to be a, margarita cocktail serving superstar every single time to any of your guests. Now, if you're looking for products and programs to help you upgrade your bar skills and take them to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. You can jumpstart your journey right now by hitting the link in the description and downloading our free PDF training, the Barprints cheat sheet. And it shows you different techniques, helps you get your bar set up, everything you need to know to jump into the world of mixology. If you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. And for more great bartending tips, tricks, and other tutorials, go ahead and check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.